Gizmo, the yellow explorer.
Build a junk bot song! I am going to fix you, junk bot!
With doors and hatches open wide. 1, 2, 3 gears spinning round, making a happy clicking sound. 2 long legs to help him stand, 2 strong arms to lend a hand. Slide in the chip, it's the final part to give our friend a thinking start. Build it, doo-doo-doo. Make it new. Build it, doo-doo-doo.
This is so
what our
fun!
clever hands can do.
Uh-oh. Oh no! It seems that you are low battery. How can I chat you up? Aha! Let's catch a lightning with kite-a-lightning!
Find a wire, find some cloth, tie the string, don't let
I
it
have
off.
all the materials now. Let's
Fold
go!
the frame, untape the spine, make it strong and make it fine. Throw it high, look at it soar. Just wait till you hear the thunder roar. To the left, zap, zap, zap. To the right, zap, zap, zap. In the middle, zap, zap, zap.
Power is flowing, he's starting to glow. Get ready for the Junk Bot Show.
Jump boot, jump boot. Jump boot, jump
Jump-bot! You're alive! Huh. Oh, you want to go there? Well, let's go!
Make him clunky, make him new.
Over there!
Build it, doo-doo-doo. See what our clever hands can do. Build it, doom, doom, doom.
Thanks for watching! See you later, explorers! Subscribe for more science videos!